Thanks for donating.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Creativity Castle.
It's time again to be creative.
Today, we are going to draw an Easter bunny. We will be drawing with a black marker from the Paper Studio, and this one is a 0.5 millimeter. We recently used this marker when we drew our flowers. It's great for detailed drawing. And remember, once we're finished with the drawing, you can always color in our illustration by going to sourpussandfriends.com to register for free and then go to the printable section. There you will find today's illustration. Simply click on the link below and register today.
Woohoo!
If you're ready, let's begin.
Let's be creative! Yay!
I will start by drawing the bunny's 2 eyes. And we will make these eyes really small little eyes with little white highlights in the middle. Next, we will draw the bunny's nose. If you notice, this bunny's nose is a lot like mine. It's a soft rounded triangle. Next, we will draw the mouth of the bunny. We'll draw one side on the left and then the other side. Next, we will give our bunny teeth, and then also we will put 3 dots on each side of the bunny's nose. This is where we will add the bunny's whiskers later. Now we will begin to add the fur of the bunny, starting with the bunny's head, including the ears. As I draw, I am trying to make our bunny look nice and fluffy and furry. You can see how my lines start to indicate the fluffiness of the bunny. As we draw the ears, we want to make the ears look nice, floppy, and fluffy. Hoo-hoo-hoo! Doo-doo-doo, doo-doo-doo. And here we have our first floppy ear. Hoo-hoo-hoo! Next we'll draw the bunny's other ear. And we'll draw this ear to look like it goes off to the side just a little bit. As we continue to draw this second ear, we'll want to stop just a little bit short of here. In this way, we'll be able to draw the bunny's paw overlapping this portion of the ear. And we will also draw the insides of the bunny's ears. And let's have our bunny waving hello. Hello, Easter Bunny. And we'll give our bunny little paws, and we indicate the paws by these little lines. And we will draw the other paw down by the bunny's side. Like this. If you are enjoying this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe today. This helps us in developing future videos.
We really appreciate your support.
And let's have our Easter Bunny wearing a pair of overalls.
What a fluffy bunny!
He's been working in the garden, and we'll draw little patches on the Easter Bunny's overalls. Doo-doo-doo, doo-doo-doo. These will be fun to color in all different colors. Doo-doo-doo, doo-doo-doo. Oh boy, Easter is almost here. Doo-doo-doo, 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 doo-doo-doo. We are almost finished drawing the Easter Bunny's overalls. And our Easter Bunny has pants that are rolled up on his legs. And now we'll draw his two big floppy feet. We'll draw one to the side, and one will draw the front of the foot. And then we'll finish up his overalls and add another patch.
Here comes Peter Cottontail, hopping down the bunny trail.
Now that we have our Easter Bunny drawn, let's add a scene around our bunny. If this is Easter Bunny, we might as well draw some Easter eggs laying around. Let's show our Easter eggs nestled in the nice spring grass. Doo-doo-doo, doo-doo-doo. We'll make this one to have a few zigzags. And when you draw your Easter eggs, you can use your imagination to make all sorts of creative designs on the Easter eggs. And we'll make this Easter egg have polka dots. All sorts of designs for our creative Easter eggs. Thinking of Easter eggs, I also like to color Easter eggs. Do you like to color Easter eggs? Maybe this is something you do at home with your family. I enjoy coloring Easter eggs and giving them to friends and family.
I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Easter eggs.
And after drawing the Easter eggs, let's add some trees to our picture. Doo-doo-doo, 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 doo-doo-doo. And these lines on the tree help to indicate the bark. Doo-doo-doo, doo-doo-doo. And because it's springtime, we will also add leaves to our trees. Doo-doo-doo, doo-doo-doo. Oh, I just love to draw. Doo-doo-doo, doo-doo-doo. And here we have our Easter Bunny in a spring setting. As a final idea, let's add a creative spring border around our picture. We'll give this border a nice hand-drawn quality. Doo-doo-doo, doo-doo-doo. And we'll go all around our picture. And let's add another line to make it a thicker border. Doo-doo-doo, doo-doo-doo. And we'll go all around our picture. And here we draw a little swirl like this on this tree to indicate where there was once a branch. Perhaps it was cut off. And let's add some clouds, fluffy clouds in the spring sky. With follow along drawings, you can always draw what I'm drawing, and you can also add all sorts of your own individual details to make your drawing even that much more special and creative. And why don't we give our border a few more decorations? I know, let's add little tulips in each of the four corners of our border. Doo-doo-doo, doo-doo-doo. This reminds me that the tulips are just coming out here at the Creativity Castle outside. We are just about finished with our border. Just one more tulip here in this bottom right corner. And as a finishing touch, we'll add little swirls, creative swirls, by each of the tulips.
That looks really good, Sauerpuss! Way to go!
Why, thank you, Penny. Oh, I almost forgot. We have to give our bunny whiskers. And here we have our Easter Bunny illustration. And now, why don't we take a look at how I've colored in this illustration?
Hey!
As you can see, I've used all sorts of springtime and Easter colors. Thank you for joining this follow along. See you next time, and remember to
Be
Thank you to all of our new subscribers.
See you next time!
Remember, you can always go to our website and register and get all the free downloads, including today's drawing in the printable section. Register today.